So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the personal hotspot button not working from the control center. Right there, when you go over there, you'll see the button of a personal hotspot that doesn't work for me right now. It's something like a blur button, or even if I go to settings and here you'll see I'm not able to click on this option of a personal hotspot. Now in order to get that, first of all you need to do is to just simply turn off your Wi-Fi. Now once you do that, and if you again go to the settings, and another thing you have to do is to just simply turn your mobile data on. Once you do that, now here you'll see this option of personal hotspot that is now enabled. I can simply go over there and allow others to join my personal hotspot. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.